And of course, how you lay your baby hairs is up to you. You do not have to do what I did. You can use a toothbrush if you want to, if a comb works best for you. If one of them edge brushes at the beauty supply store works best for you, use that. Okay, if you want to rake it with your fingernails, use that. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got my pen with me. And if you sorry. And if you have not seen by the title already, y'all, I am here giving y'all 4B, 4C hair, like slick down for the gods, y'all. Like this is really live. So basically, like if you want to know how I got this hairstyle, just keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. It's actually growing really fast. Like I can't even believe. And you will need gel of any kind, your favorite kind. A brush, rat tail comb, or any comb, really don't gotta be rat tail, and a do-rag. You can get your favorite headscarf, but do-rags is gonna lay it down right. And then I got a bottle of water just in case my hair gets a little dry, which I already kind of sprayed. Really, you just want to get some gel, spread it all over. Our freaking toilet keeps on running. Like we just moved like 3 weeks ago. I went to the apartment tour so bad. I had got like some footage, but I didn't really like it. Comment down below if you still want me to put it out. If you want me to still put it out, because I can, but it's just not like the best footage. You usually could do this with a wash and go and go like that. Not as much gel, but you know, go rolling the way your curls roll. And trust me, I did it a couple days ago. It was actually really cute. I like to take my my comb, and comb my hair out this way. If you want, ow, shit. If you wanted a part, you could definitely have one. But I don't rock the parts anymore. Not of late, at least. That was a little nap, okay? If your hair is anything like mine and curls up really quick, you kind of want to move a little fast. I also use my brush and brush it. I would say get like a kind of hard brush. That's hella funny. Get a brush that's kind of hard but not too hard, because I have a green brush like this and it's hard as fuck on my head. Like I don't like that. And then with the front, I just like to take my comb. I'm probably not even gonna use my edge control, and just like, my hair is so curly right now, it's not even funny. And just like do it like with your edges or something. Don't worry about my hair looking a little white. It's honestly, it only looks white kind of on camera and like this little spot. But once I put my do-rag on and my hair dries, it's gonna be all good. Toothbrush, because I'm thinking maybe it would, bitch. All right, hold on. I might have to do this. Oh no. Oh no. Hair too curly for the brush. But the proper way to put on your do-rag is to have the line side. Like you see how this is like flat, and then you can see like the actual like surged part. That part goes on the top, because you don't want that line going across your head or your forehead, because that's so not cute. Depending on how much gel you used, it might take you like 45 minutes to dry. But if you blow dry, obviously it's not gonna take that long. like to roll them up, tuck it in, oops, tuck it in, roll it up, tuck it in. I usually have my string in the front, but I don't got time for that today. So I'm gonna go make a smoothie and I don't know, watch TV, smoke a doobie or something, smoke a blunt. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all what's popping. All right, y'all, it's actually been like a couple hours. I did watch TV, ate some greens, ate some black eyed peas, drank a smoothie, okay, made a body scrub, made a lip scrub. I done did hella shit. And I'm finally about to leave the house, so time for the big reveal. And you don't want to like pull your do-rag back this way because you're gonna mess up the front. So just take it from the back. Bruh. But you know what I did, and this is how I got it, bruh. I am swimming. Bruh, this is almost better than all the days I've ever done it. Like, I definitely was showing out for y'all. I was showing out for y'all because I'm actually gonna go outside and take some pictures and attach them. I'm not gonna attach them onto this this here right here. And you're gonna be like, bitch, is that you? I'm like, bitch, that's me. That's me. That's me. I'm gonna post on my Instagram, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Just call me Royal. I'm actually in the works of changing my Instagram and changing my YouTube name. So we will not be Beauty and Blunts come 2019. I'm still kind of actually working on the name. But I know that it wants to be, I want to change it just because I feel like Beauty and Blunts is very limiting to me when I actually do it all. I think that I post on my YouTube, excuse me, was decided by my Instagram, if that makes sense. Yeah, so make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up because your girl is swimming, okay? Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you for watching. Welcome back, okay? Yeah, I need y'all to come be a part of the family. Our family needs to grow. We are almost at 1,400 subscribers, and at 1,500, I am going to do a giveaway. Yeah, it's gonna be big lit. It's gonna be big lit. Yes, my nail broke. No, don't talk shit, please, in the comments. But yeah, that's all I got for today. Y'all keep me young, stay bright, stay fly as fuck, shit, stay high as fuck. I'm out, y'all.